Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and this is Geeta Singh. So here guys, today I'm very excited to share my personal journey, how I went from knowing zero English to becoming fluent in English. So completely free without spending even a single rupee. So if you're ready to start to complete this language learning a big project with me, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to define what fluency means to you, because every single person has different definition of fluency. Mine is completely different and yours could be completely different. So you have to decide what it means by fluency to you. But if you have been following this one statement that you want to become fluent in just 3 months or in just 6 months, or you want to become fluent in any language in this amount of time. So, guys, to be very honest, I tell you that I don't think that it can help you that much. Okay, so first of all, you have to figure out that what fluency means to you and then move to next step. Okay, I know there are a lot of people who just think about learning English and this one sentence comes to their mind, that is how they are going to be fluent in English and when they gonna be fluent in English. Okay, I know every single person struggle with this because I have also gone through this situation. I was also struggling with this portion and I was literally asking to myself, how can I become fluent in English and when am I gonna be fluent in English, right? But after some time I realized that this was not the right approach, because every single person has different definition of fluency. Mine is completely different from others. I just wanted to be comfortable to express myself in English. I just wanted to have conversation with anybody in English confidently. So this is something my definition of fluency. When I looked at others, somebody wanted to improve academic, somebody wanted to explore new culture and make new friends, and some people have an idol to their mind or an image what they wanted to be, or to become fluent in English. So that's how every single person has different definition of fluency. Okay, so now you all understood that having clear and achievable goals of fluency is very important. So my first tip, my first suggestion for you guys, believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. The major reason most of us cannot speak fluently is lack of confidence. Because of lack of self-confidence in us, whenever it comes to speaking English, we hesitate, get scared, and we don't speak at all, right? And why does this happen? Because you get worried that you are gonna be judged. The other person whom you are talking to is going to judge for your mistakes. If I say it in other words, you want to create an impression on other person and do not get embarrassed, right? So if you feel like that, it's very normal thing. Okay, there is a way you can deal with this. Instead of focusing on impressing other person, you can try bring the words out and try to express yourself. And trust me, if you are being able to express yourself, then automatically you impress the other person. And trust me, all this will happen only when you believe in yourself. Okay. My second suggestion for you guys, do not stop learning. Yes, I know learning English is pretty big project, right? Most of you guys get bored and they stop learning English. You can start with few minutes, like for 10 minutes or for 20 minutes, or maybe it's 30 minutes. You can start with watching shows with subtitles or without subtitles in English. Okay, what I learned was at home watching English shows, animes, watching dubs of animes. That's what like really boosted my English skills by 1,000-fold. Okay, what the shows you enjoy watching, you gotta watch something that you like, that you actually enjoy, right? For me, it was English videos, animes, series, and I also watched Harry Potter and also whatever my son watches. I enjoy watching them with him. Okay. And there is one more thing that is really helped me, and that is my love for this language. I really love this language and I enjoyed the journey. If you don't enjoy the journey, you can never reach the destination. I tell you, there is no harm in loving any other language. Okay? Yes, of course, we all know our mother tongue can never be replaced. That is the best and most comfortable language and most homely and easy language that you will ever speak. But you could at the same time have love for someone else too. I always been fond of this language. When you develop fondness of something or you enjoy doing something, you tend to attach more importance to it. You put an extra efforts into it. And of course, you learn extra because of all this, right? And what happens? You start to think in English more, and that will happen gradually. Okay? Nothing can be done in a day or two. It has to be done over a long period of time. Okay? Yes, it takes time.
Recently, I have read this book. The author of this book, Joseph Murphy, said the law of action and reaction. The action was your thought, and the reaction was the response of your subconscious mind. Reading book is one of a good habit. You can read any book.
You start with your conscious mind, and then gradually it moves to your subconscious, and then it becomes automatic for you. Okay, my third tip and my third suggestion is for you guys: talk to yourself in English. I used to talk to myself in English and I still do it. For this, I also studied grammar as the way most of people start out to learn this language. I think initially most of the people study only grammar for learn this language. I did it too. Even after this, I would not say that my grammar is good, my pronunciation is not very appropriate, but still I'm happy that I can conveying my feeling and my journey to you guys in English, and I think it's a huge achievement for me. It might not be my English is that good. It's not my first language, and I still happy that I can express myself to you guys. If you are being able to convey your message with whatever limited words you have and vocabulary you are using, and if it is good enough, then you do not have to bother any longer. You have to focus only on speaking simple English. Okay, so that's all in this video. Hope you liked it. If you want to learn more through my journey, to stay connected, and do subscribe and hit the like button, and make sure to press all for notification to get my videos regularly. Must share this video to your close friend and family who really wants to learn this language. Okay, if you have any question or any suggestion for this video, and also for interact with me, do comment down below and I will try to reply each and every comment. See you guys in the next video. Take care.